Excuse
me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami can be being show. Tinatet venicano. So we use what? A CSC ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obey moi.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Welcome to J Ghana TV Entertainment segment. Entertainment This. Nikki is my name. Please do not forget to press the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that any content that we drop, you'll be the first to be notified. As you can see, I'm glittering and glowing. It is all glitter and glow product. Get one for yourself and also for the family. When it comes to organic foods, it is Janelle Organics. Yeah, they do have precocet powder, fufu powder, ground-up paste, everything, every spices. So please, if you need organic foods, it is Janelle Organics. Okay, it is now time for us to vibe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I've taken my sister. You all should get ready for me. Yeah. Okay, so Black Sherif held his maiden Ghanaian concert, which is the Mozama Disco concert on Wednesday, December 21st at the La Palm Royal Beach Hotel in Accra, and it was just so blissful. It was a blissful event. It was just so nice and superb. Yeah, with many patrons having a good time. Yeah, he had a host of stars in attendance. Example is Eei Afia Odo, who was one of the notable public figures at the successful show, and she caused the stir with her antics. I mean, she was dancing with this mini skirt, and it was just so superb. Eei Afia Odo is always slaying, whether in a long outfit, whether in a short outfit. She was just looking so beautiful and so nice, and she was just giving us that dance. You understand? Okay, and also there was this funny thing that happened over there. You know, there was this Obroni lady singing Blacko's song word for word, like Charlie. It was just so super. You could see at a point she couldn't sing some parts, you know, the chi aspect, but then she was really singing, and it was just so funny. As you can see, she was really singing. Let's take a look at the video.
Who don't know me, don't know me. Ask who know me, say who I be. I'm not gonna open up to nobody. I keep my hour to myself, my guy is only me. Who don't know me, don't know me. Ask who know me, say who I be. I'm not gonna open up to nobody. I keep my hour to myself, it's only me. Tell them I'm say who I be. I'm not gonna open up to nobody. I keep my hour to myself, my guy is only me. Who don't know me, don't know me. Ask who know me, say who I be. I'm not gonna open up to nobody. I keep my hour to myself, it's only me. Tell them I'm
Yeah, so ask yourself for yourself. Obroni has come to Ghana to say easy. She was really singing Black Sherif's song. Most of us in Ghana here can't sing his song, Charlie. But the way this woman was singing, like it's a kudos. Let's clap for you. Let's clap. Okay, so the King Promise. This is quite funny, but you know, yeah. Actually, we see our celebs to be some people that, Charlie, if you meet the celeb somewhere, you know, we all run to them. We love to cheer them up, expecting them to throw money, to throw cash. But this time around, the video was in his. King Promise was in his car, and yeah, he was driving, and then you know this the street children, I don't know, they met him and then they were trying to cheer him up. Yeah, came promise, expecting him to give out some dollars. But then to the expectations, what they saw was it was just a city, you understand? Just some 1 city, 2 city that Kim promised give to them. Okay, so you saw it for yourself right there. Yes, the caption was those called set lips. Yeah, we were really expecting to see dollars, but this time around it was just some city. Well, it's all good. Okay, this is Ghana TV Entertainment segment, Entertainment Bits. Always make sure you press the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that any content that we drop, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for watching.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di Noya Mabosina, and Munia dia Setina 230 Hebam. We are Bema now no more, and Mama Wadisum Kuma Ujaw Nasu to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and vitality, and Fahunia Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Saum Reda, Tina 230 Heba, a young conqueror. Power to the people, Mitchell 230. So I what feeling? Hold on, my back. Kinaata 230 Herbal.
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie du watching.